Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited because today I'm gonna film a new video. You guys can see like it's been hurting a lot, but who cares? Right? So I made new slime. I just wanted to say that I'm going to be doing my slime collection part 2. So I'm already playing with this. This is the slime. So this one is a homemade slime, and the reason why I'd say it's homemade because I made it with bubbles. You guys should really use it. It's really helpful, like, to use. Yeah, I'm really cringy, but who cares? Some people are cringy too. So this one is like made out of bubbles. So like every time like I leave, and then I just make it sit for couple of couple of seconds. It will just start to make bubbles already. Like you guys can see, it's already making bubbles already because I put a lot of bubbles like at time, and I guess it's working. Guys, as you guys can see up close. Okay guys, like I just want to say that like I am going to be doing a slime collection part 3 tomorrow because I have 22 slimes to show you guys. Yeah, so let's go on with like the next slime, but like I'm looking. Okay, never mind. Got the picture. Okay, so this is the container for it. I just decided like to go. Okay, I'm getting like a lot of messages. So guys, this slime got like much bigger since I added bubbles. So like if you want to make your slime like bigger, then I suppose you get bigger than this because it's making it big. Like it's like already super duper big. So I think you should totally use it to make your slime super big. So I'm just gonna dump all this in here because I really do not know where to put it. And plus, it's a really big slime. I just can't say that. So, but also that I'm good, just gonna like put a little bit in here. Guys, like, there's this like movie going on. I just want to say that like I'm taking kind of forever. Okay. So finally, where the heck? Yeah, next slime. Next slime is the pomegranate love shake. This one is a really good slime. I always put shaving cream. I always like to put shaving cream in it because it just makes it bigger. Also, that I have this like a little charm that's like a shake, and it's a cup, and it says shake on it. And this one smells really good. It's honestly scented. I have 3 scents right here. I have 3, and I like to just scent my slime. So yeah. Yeah, this is like the other slime that likes to make bubbles, but I didn't put, that was open. I never put this into this one. So, yeah. I have like 2 more slimes to go, so, yeah. But tomorrow's going to be like a bigger slime collection because it's going to be 4 slimes. So. The next slime I'm going to show you guys is silk slime. It's honest. All my slimes are honestly homemade. This one is a cloud cream butter because, as you guys can see, cloud, and it's also a creamy texture, and it's also butter because you guys can tell it's like that. But I think if I put like you guys up there, you guys can have like a better look. And also, sorry about the bad lighting. Like, I'm not really sure what happened to the lighting. Like, I don't know. Let me just like turn off the light. My house looks a little reckless. Sorry, because my like family came and they just like visited. Like, there's like literally slime in my hair. Literally slime in my hair. Slime in my hair. Great. Now I really got shared. Okay. So yeah, this one is good for ASMR because this one's like a really cloud, creamy texture. Oh, the lighting's better. I just noticed that right now. Okay, so do you like? Ow, that hurt really bad. That hurt, guys. It like hurt really, really bad. Like it hurt so bad. Like, oh my god, my god, it hurt. But you know it's okay because I still can do TikToks with it. So I'm only gonna take a little because it's like hard to like put back in. So this one has pom poms in it. This one's actually um, store bought. I could never make this slime because it's honestly a store bought slime. Like you never know. Also, I put a charm in it. That's like a num num charm. So yeah, guys, this is like an icing gem because like it says ice cream here, as you can tell. And it has Japanese words. I really do not know what that is. But it's okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe. Turn on all notification bells so you'll be notified every time I post a video, y'all. Yeah. Bye, guys. Oh, what was that? I don't know. Stay tuned. Bye.